Do you know the one thing that can make your brand unforgettable? Picture this. You're in a crowded marketplace, surrounded by countless competitors offering the same products and services. You've done everything you're supposed to do: marketing campaigns, social media ads, partnerships, but your business is still struggling to stand out. Then you come across a book that promises to change everything. You read it, and suddenly your business is the talk of the town. The secret to standing out: why mediocrity won't work anymore. That book is Purple Cow by Seth Godin. Since its release in 2003, this groundbreaking book has challenged the traditional rules of marketing. Godin's message is clear. In a world full of boring, ordinary products, the only way to succeed is to be remarkable. The key to capturing attention and winning loyal customers lies in your ability to stand out from the crowd. The concept of the purple cow is simple, yet powerful. Godin argues that if your product or service isn't remarkable, something people can't help but talk about, then it's invisible. In today's saturated market, blending in is no longer an option. The days of pushing out average products and relying on traditional advertising are over. To succeed, you must create something that is so remarkable that people can't ignore it. Godin's central thesis is that marketing should be about creating products and services that are worth talking about. It's not enough to follow the same tired patterns and hope to get noticed. The real key to success is to make your brand so unique and memorable that it becomes the subject of conversation. Your goal should be to create something extraordinary, a purple cow in a field of brown cows. When you do this, people will come to you, and your marketing will do the work for you. The power of being remarkable. How to build a purple cow. As you delve deeper into Purple Cow, Seth Godin introduces the idea of marketing that's truly remarkable. Being remarkable doesn't just mean being better than the competition. It means being so different, so unique, that people can't help but take notice. Godin emphasizes that remarkable doesn't necessarily mean more expensive or more high-tech. It means something that grabs attention and sparks interest. Godin presents the idea of creating remarkable products by shifting your focus from trying to be all things to all people. Instead, you should aim to appeal to a specific, passionate audience. This idea is what Godin calls the small group of people who care. When you focus on a niche market, people who are eager and enthusiastic about what you offer, you create a community of fans who will not only buy your product but become its biggest advocates. The concept of creating a purple cow isn't just about flashy marketing campaigns or gimmicks. It's about creating something with real value that is so different from the norm that it forces people to pay attention. Godin explains that the old approach to marketing, relying on mass advertising and making everyone happy, is obsolete. Today, the best brands are those that target a smaller, more focused audience and give them something that speaks directly to their needs and desires. The key takeaway from Purple Cow is that the most successful brands are the ones that are willing to take risks and do something unexpected. Whether it's creating an innovative product, offering outstanding customer service, or using creative, unconventional marketing techniques, standing out requires boldness and a willingness to break from the norm. Mediocre products simply won't cut it anymore. You have to be remarkable, and in doing so, you'll create a business that people can't ignore. Turning the ordinary into extraordinary. The impact of being remarkable. One of the most powerful aspects of Purple Cow is Godin's advice on how to sustain your business once you've created something remarkable. It's not enough to launch a remarkable product and hope for the best. To build a lasting brand, you must continuously find ways to innovate and stay relevant. The journey doesn't stop once you've gained attention. The real challenge is maintaining it. Godin introduces the idea of the sneezers, those people who are passionate about your product and spread the word to others. These early adopters and brand advocates are critical to the success of any remarkable business. In today's digital age, the sneezers are more influential than ever. Social media, word of mouth, and online reviews have given consumers the power to shape the reputation of a brand. If you create something remarkable, these sneezers will share it with their networks, amplifying your reach and helping your brand grow organically. The importance of remarkable marketing is not just in gaining attention, it's about turning that attention into loyalty. Godin emphasizes that your brand's reputation is everything. Once you've created something worth talking about, it's crucial to consistently deliver on the promise of excellence. This means going beyond what customers expect and continuously innovating to meet their evolving needs. Remarkable marketing is a long-term commitment to staying unique, valuable, and relevant to your audience. In the final section of the book, Godin talks about how the traditional methods of marketing, advertisements, brochures, and billboards, are no longer effective in a world full of information overload. Instead of pushing out generic messages to an uninterested audience, businesses must find new ways to engage and connect with people. They need to give their audience something to talk about, to share, and to care about. Purple Cow is ultimately about understanding that the business landscape has changed. The internet, social media, and global connectivity have given consumers more power than ever before. The businesses that succeed are the ones that are willing to take risks, break the rules, and create something truly remarkable. When you make the effort to be unique and stand out, your marketing does the heavy lifting. So the question isn't, how can I market my business? Instead, it's, what can I create that is so remarkable people can't help but talk about it? When you answer that question, you've unlocked the secret to success in today's competitive market. By daring to be different, your brand can become the purple cow that everyone is talking about.